So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this PowerPoint infographic. So first of all, we're going to open up a blank slide in which we're going to insert a rectangle, then give it the shadow of the 6 number. And we're just going to duplicate it. And what we're going to do is just put it back onto the previous one. Give both of them a fill of white and the shadow of the left side. And then we're going to just rotate it like this that it becomes a rotated line. Next, what we're just gonna do is like give them some more shadow and make sure to increase the blur. Now go to shapes and insert like an arrow and make it like this. Now we're gonna add a rhombus on it and make it like rotated and give it some transparency. Now select both of these and subtract them. We have this type of shape. We're gonna change its fill, give it a gradient, and rotate it according to what the rectangle. So here we go. Next, what we're gonna do is just like put it onto that rectangle, increase the size, and then go to shapes and insert a small triangle like this. Put it right here and make sure that they align together, the both of these shapes. Then, next, what we have to do is change the color of that, like the triangle, according to our other shape. Yes, so let me just put it right here. Now let's just duplicate these shapes and make different copies of it and say your text in it, whatever you want to use. Here we go. And then we're just gonna like put it on top. Now after changing the colors, we're gonna give them the flying animation from like the right side and left side and different sides. Perfect. Next for the text boxes, I'm just gonna use the floating or wipe animation. Give the timings to the animations. And so yeah, this is the final result of how we made this video. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.